Which toy do you want?
This one.
What is it? See it. Ooh. That's cool. What is it? A slushy machine?
Yeah.
A slushy van, right? Let me see your toy. Cool! And nerds? Yeah, what do you got there, Liam?
Legos. Stickers. Wow. Empty box. Empty box. We don't need this box.
One.
And then two.
Awesome.
And then directions and
Stickers.
stickers.
And it's a piece. Okay.
First
Alright,
we
so let's
start
see.
with the one.
Let's see, Liam. So we got. Alright, yeah, you're right. Okay, so open up one. We'll put number 2 on the side for later. One.
Here you go. Two.
Good job. Now help me get this piece.
That piece.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll get it. Right here.
Thank you.
Right here.
I only need one.
Oh, you just need
Okay,
one.
next
That's
piece.
an extra one.
Okay, help me get these 2 pieces.
Which two pieces?
1 and 2.
I'll find it. Look at Lovian! 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 Look at Lovian! 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 Look, in! You're Lovian! Lovian! What piece did you So cool!
Okay, Liam, next pieces.
So what piece?
Drum
All of
roll.
those?
Yeah, all of those.
Let me close my eyes.
1 and good job.
Wait, I closed my eyes and did it! Oh, that was so
All right.
cool, right? Cool, right? And this
3
is
Lego.
gonna be, this is gonna be hard for me.
Let me get a 3-piece. 1, 2, 3 piece, please.
Was it? Okay. But it's a this one and this one, and you have to say I don't know.
I don't know.
That one.
Alright. I need this one. It's right there.
I don't see a long piece right here.
Oh, I was trying to trick you.
Yes, trick me again.
I'm not looking for the pieces though. Alright, give me
Yeah,
this piece. This piece.
It's over here, right?
It's right there.
Yeah. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you.
You did. You're good.
Where did you put it?
You tricked me.
Yes. I tricked
Alright.
you. I tricked him. I tricked him. I tricked him. I tricked him.
Alright. These 2 pieces.
This piece is okay.
Alright. No more.
guys, this is a good teamwork. Teamwork makes the
Dream work.
and
And what?
teamwork makes the
I don't know.
teamwork.
Here's a final product.
Here's the final product. Okay, we are going inside.
Close it and show me how the other side works. Wow, that's awesome, buddy.
And the phone works like this. Wow! You know how this works? The water.